It's time. If you're an IT service provider responsible for securely managing dozens or hundreds of different client networks simultaneously, this show is for you. Are you ready? Let's go. Hello, and welcome to Beyond the Data, the show that takes the mystery out of information security management for IT service providers. I'm your host, Dana F. Working with so many partners around the globe who are centrally managing their clients through IT automation systems like Kaseya, LabTech, and Level Platforms has shown me a common trait amongst the most successful of them. They understand and leverage these systems to meet many of the disciplines as defined in ITIL. From service delivery and support all the way to change management, there's a good set of processes and matching procedures to maintain IT service management objectives, at least for the most part. The one thing that I'm seeing time and time again is a gap between the application of security safeguards that match up with information security management. It's too easy to dismiss security management as difficult or time-consuming, and instead, you guys are relying on the comfort of shared passwords, common antivirus and anti-malware products, along with your favorite choice of firewalls and VPN solutions. But that isn't what information security management's about. Effective security isn't a product, it's a process. No one piece of software or hardware can keep you and your clients absolutely safe. Actually, absolute security is a myth. With enough money and motive, anything can be breached. The goal here is to apply enough security to reduce risk to an acceptable level. And that means we need a way to measure and monitor what we plan to do, since everyone's tolerance for risk will be different. There's just no one way to do it. And that's the whole purpose of this show. In each episode, we'll take a single concept and put it through the information security management lifecycle. It will be done in 4 phases. First, we will enter the planning stage and decide just what we want to accomplish. This is where we'll discuss information security risk and decide what we believe is the appropriate controls and safeguards to use. Once that's been done, we'll move right into implementation and discuss how to apply the safeguards using the IT automation systems you've already invested in. In some cases, we'll even provide you with agent procedures and automation scripts to help you along. In other cases, we'll even introduce you to new tools you probably aren't using yet that will really make your life easier when doing this. Once we've shown you how to implement the controls, we will work towards building in checks so that you can evaluate that the safeguards that you've implemented are actually working as you expect. This will include ways to monitor and alert for anomalous behaviors and report on such activity. And then finally, we'll move right into the final phase where we discuss just how you will plan to respond to incidents if they occur. It is here where you'll learn why yelling, "the sky is falling," is fruitless, and how effective incident response will help to ensure you reduce the business liabilities while increasing security effectiveness across all your customer base. In other words, we're going to go beyond the data. We're going to look at the principles and practices of information security management so that you as a service provider can better leverage your IT automation systems to help you reduce your overall business risk and allowing staff and clients to have so much access to these information systems that you're responsible for. You'll be able to better monitor and alert when things go wrong and have confidence in knowing how to respond. We have several episodes we already have in mind, from account auditing all the way to monitoring for attempted file access to privileged information that your staff shouldn't be accessing. If you have any security concepts that you would like to see covered in a future episode, you can email us at beyondthedata@scorpionsoft.com. You can also follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/DanaF and tweet me your comments, feedback, and suggestions. And of course, you can always catch up on the latest episodes and provide feedback on the show's website at beyondthedata.tv. Until next time, remember that security is about risk mitigation, not risk avoidance. You always have to look beyond the data.